about 15 minutes before this Prosecco starts kicking in, so let's get to it. Hey guys, it's Tierra or Tierra. Normally we would talk about like something fitness or job related. Today we're moving over to the lifestyle part of it, and we're going to be talking about home decor, more specifically a balcony transformation. So if you're into budget friendly, rental friendly content, this is your video, and stay tuned. I love home decor, but a girl is balling on a budget. So with any type of project, if I want to change a room in my home, I start off with a plan. I measure the area first, figure out my specs, and then go from there. I decided to make kind of my own inspo of how I wanted my balcony to look, and I made this on Canva, and I'll have a clip of the picture of what I wanted to look like. I knew that I wanted the IKEA decking. I love that decking, and I knew I wanted some type of couch. I originally wanted a corner couch, but the way that my balcony is fitted, more L shape was going to do better. And I also wanted lots of plants. I wanted lots of neutrals because my home has a lot of neutrals, and I love the flow of all the color schemes in my apartment. After I made my proof and what I wanted my balcony to look like, I believe I said either like $550 or $600 budget. That doesn't mean that I have $600, boom, 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 I'm gonna spend it. I bought things over time, and I also used things that I already had in my home. So the first thing that I wanted to do was look for balcony furniture. So I started Googling patio furniture, and then I realized this stuff can get pretty expensive. It can be pretty expensive. So then I decided to start looking on sites like Wayfair and Overstock. The things that I did was look at the specs of the couches I was looking for. I knew I wanted something brown. There were like beige or brown like cushions. Actually, the couch that I bought, it was supposed to have like a cream colored cushions. It's a gamble whenever you're getting things from like Wayfair and Overstock, but it happened to work out perfectly fine. It's like a light kind of milky chocolate brown, and that works just fine for me. And one of the things you have to do is measure your balcony first, because you need to know how what you can fit into the balcony. You don't want to just go, oh my god, I love this couch, buy it, and you get it and realize it's not going to fit, it's not going to do what you need it to do. So one of the things I was very cognizant of was making sure I looked at the specs of all the couches. It was going to work perfectly. It was going to be fitted right to the brim of that back wall where I wanted the couch, my inspo picture that I made, and had the option of having the chase lounge part either on the I just want to pat myself on the back. I did all of this by myself. I did all of this. Let's just go ahead and note that I did all of this makeover, but putting all the furniture, doing all the decking, I did it myself. So I'm really proud of myself. So girls, don't be afraid to get in there and get busy whenever you have a thought or a project in mind. So I got the couch. After clearing off my balcony, that was the first part. Cleaning it off, getting the little bit that I did have out there, it was a hot mess. Getting that cleared off, I then got the couch. It was finally delivered. It came in 2 big boxes, and I started to get busy, and I put it all together, and then I finished putting the couch together. It came with its own table that matched the same kind of pattern or material as the couch, but I didn't want that table. I knew I wanted nesting tables, which goes to my next purchase. And then I just went on my Amazon, and I found some nesting. I knew I wanted white tables just to bring some lightness, because the material for the couch is kind of dark, so I wanted it to balance out. So I wanted white tables, and I found these. I wanted brown ones. They were super cute, super easy to put together, and that was that. And so the next part was the flooring. IKEA, oh my god, I was so excited. I get there to find out that they are sold out, and he was like, they won't be back until July, and I'm like, no, that doesn't work. I'm trying to get this done now. It's already past the time that I want to be done. And then it gave me the option for delivery, so I just okay, I'll just pay, because they were still sold out on the site for the IKEA in Sacramento, but it was giving me the option for delivery. So I'm assuming that they got it from a different IKEA, which I don't care where it came from. All it matters is that it came finally. And what I did to find out how much I needed was I looked at specs on the decking, and it said it was roughly 12 by 12. It's a little bit less than 12 by 12, and then I started to measure out 12 by 12 on my floor and then kind of guesstimate, like go down to see how many I would need. There was no need to do the full floor of my balcony because the couch was going to be covering well over a little bit of a third of it. So I just needed to finish that 2/3. So I opted, the IKEA decking comes in 9 12 by 12 tiles that literally just connect in, and I opted to get 4 packages. That was going to be totaling 36 tiles, and I actually have 2 left over, and super easy. And on the edge you will see where it wasn't going to fit all the way, like I couldn't fit a full one, so then I had to like kind of customize it a little bit and cut it. Okay, so what I'm doing, I don't know, I look crazy. It's like 9 o'clock at night. So the edge along here is not going to fit full one. So what I'm doing is taking some like wire cutters and then I'm kind of cutting it to see which side I need to snap it, and then I'm cutting it to fit along there a little better, just for make it look a little complete, and we're gonna see how that goes. That's what I'm doing right now.
So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do on this edge, but I can't really know because I have just some things gonna be put there. So good, so vibey already. I love it.
And then we just get to the styling of it. I already had the like plant hangers. I already had, like, I believe I bought like a 4-pack from Amazon. Since I couldn't drill a hole into the concrete wall, I opted to just take the light fixture off. It's still like, because it's rental, I want to get my deposit. I just have it in like a safe spot, and then I hung it over the light because I'm not going to be using that light as much because I have the lighting that I added. I'm going to be adding more lighting possibly to the ceiling as well. And I already had plants, a ugly little monster that Charlie destroyed. I had planters already from, remember I bought a bunch of planters from my local TJ Maxx back in Georgia. So it was just like kind of taking things from my home that I already had and putting it in there. And you'll also see like a poof, like this kind of wicker material poof that I also got from IKEA. I'll also insert that as well. Put my monster in a new like the white planter instead of the wooden one that I had, and it looks really good and perfect out there. And then I just put my snake plant, which I'm going to probably get a new plant out there, but for the time being I just put my snake plant in that big planter that has the stand. And then the pillows, like the gray, it came with the 3 cushions that match the cushions of the couch, and I opted to get 2 the gray pillows that I got a long time ago. The little blanket, the little throw blanket, I literally got that from Family Dollar back in like 2018. And then just accessorizing it, I had these coasters that I have like so many different types of coasters in my home, but those, they've just been like in the closet. So I found them when I was like unpacking my closet, and I was like, oh, I'll just throw those outside on the balcony. And then little candles from IKEA, and that is pretty much it for the time being. I do, for future plans, what I have for my balcony, I do want to cover up that door. I also want to add in some more like string lights on the ceiling. I'll show you an inspo picture of that as well. And I also want to get like a hookah out there. I also want to get like a tabletop fire pit as well, so I'm on the hook for that. I've been looking on Marketplace on Facebook and like sites like Overstock and Wayfair to see if I can get one for cheap. So let me know if you like this video. Hopefully you like what I've done so far. I love it. I already started eating breakfast and, you know, having my morning coffee and teas out there. I've literally fallen asleep on the couch because it's so pretty. Like, the weather has been pretty out here. If you have any questions, I'm going to have all the links down below. Let me know. But yeah, I'm going to shut up now so I can edit this video to have it up tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you're notified of all my future uploads. And leave me a comment down below and give me a like. And yes, if you haven't, I have a home Instagram page. I'm going to go ahead and link that. It's called livin.4.Tierra. and it's just like all the foods I make, all the home decor that I'm going to be doing, and I want it to be corresponding with the YouTube channel. Okay, that is enough for me because I am talking a mile a minute because the Prosecco is kicking in. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!